Hello guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kings TV 101 and today we'll be talking about how to compress video. So guys, if you're new to this channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell icon to get update of all our new videos. So guys, today I'll be using this particular app called Proton Video Compressor for the sake of this video. So I'll be selecting a video in this particular from my phone. I will select a video for the sake of this particular video that we're doing today on how to compress video. And the reason why you might need to compress video is if you want to upload video to any platform like YouTube, Instagram, Vimeo, or any video platform, and you don't want to spend much data, you can just use video compressor like Proton Video Compressor to do that. And you can see I have selected a video of 119 MB to compress. So guys, there are so many ways you can use the original resolution to compress the video, which means you will compress the video without changing the resolution. You can use low quality resolution, you can use low quality to compress the video, that is the small file size to compress video. You can use the medium or whichever one. So guys, the main thing we are targeting at compressing video today is to know if it is of importance to compress video, to see the benefit of compressing video. This particular video that I've selected now is 119 MB, and after compressing it, you will see how many MB this video will become. So guys, for the sake of this video, also remember I will be using the low quality to compress. That's the small file size, which is the second option after the original quality. The original resolution, I'll be using the low quality, the small file size, to compress this particular video. Just bear it in mind that this video that I'm compressing is 119 MB, and after compressing this video I will show you how many MB that it is. Then you will do the mathematics. 119 MB minus so number of MB, and then you find out that the MB that I'm supposed to use to upload one video, I'll use it to upload more than 100 videos. And that is how it is possible for vloggers to be uploading content on YouTube every day. That is how it is possible for celebrities and every other person who upload every day to be uploading, because they spend lesser data with video compressor apps like this that I'm going to show you. So don't worry about this particular video compressor app. I will be dropping the link in my description so that you can get it from Google Play Store. So guys, I have started the compressing process. So at this junction, I will pause this video because it will count from 1% to 100% before the compressing process will be done. So I will pause this video so that the video will not be too long. When it gets to, let's say, now it is at 5% or so. So when it gets to, let's say, 90%, I will play the screen recorder to continue, so that we will not I will not be wasting your data to count 1 to 3 to 100, because this one will count from 1% to 100%. So now I'm going to pause the video. When it's very close to 100%, I will play it so that we'll continue. We'll end and see how many data that we are able to save. Remember, the original video that we are compressing is 119 MB, and after compressing, we will see how many MB we were able to get. It's as simple as you just go to open to compress video. It's as simple as you open your Proton Video Compressor, click on it, will display all the videos in your phone. You click on the particular one that you want to compress and then choose the size. Remember, I say if you want to save enough data, you will choose the low quality. That is the second option. Click on it and it will start compressing just as it is doing on your screen right now. So guys, let me pause the video till when we are close to 100%, then I'll play the video. Thanks. So guys, we are back and now it is 98%. It's still compressing. Okay, now it's 100%. So let's see the final compressing. Okay, now it is completely compressed. So guys, you can see the original size of this 55 seconds duration video. The original size is 119 MB and the compressed size is 4 MB. So guys, if you do the mathematics, you understand that you've been able to save a lot of data by compressing this particular video. So if you upload this video to Instagram, it will take just 4 MB instead of 119 MB. If you upload it to YouTube, it will take 4 MB instead of 119 MB. Upload to Facebook, it will take 4 MB instead of 119 MB. That is how to compress video, and the importance of compressing video is to save cost, to save data. So when you compress your video before uploading, you find out that you save enough data. So guys, I've come to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching up to this moment. If you are new to this channel, subscribe. Thanks.